Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a click to call button on your Google site. It's super useful if you want visitors to call your business or support line with one tap. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, first step. Open the Google site you want to edit. If you're on the main dashboard, just pick your site from the list or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Next, we need to add the button. On the right-hand menu, find the section labeled Insert and then click on Button. It's pretty easy. Google Sites keeps things simple, you know. When the button pop-up appears, you'll see two boxes, one for the label and one for the link. In the link box, type TEL followed by the phone number. So something like TEL 123 456 7890. This tells phones to start a call when someone taps it. Give the button a label like Call Us, Tap to Call, or whatever fits your site. Then drag it where you want it on the page. Google Sites lets you snap it into sections, so just drop it into place. Once everything looks good, hit the Publish button in the top right corner. This updates your live site so visitors can start calling you right away as soon as they hit that button. If you want to double check, click View Published Site and test the button from your phone. You should see your device ask to start the call. That means it's all working. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. You now have a clean little click to call button right on your Google site. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.